Hello everyone, welcome back to EduMathsMentor. So today we are going to solve this problem. This is mathematics Olympiad problem. Now in this question what we have given AB plus BC plus CA equals to 0. This is given quantity, okay? And we have to find the value of this expression A plus B by C plus B plus C by A plus C plus A by B. So how we solve this problem? A plus B by C plus B plus C by A plus C plus A by B. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am adding plus 3 and subtracting plus 3. Okay. And this plus 3, I am writing this as like plus 1 and plus 1. Okay. Now in this particular expression, I am solving this. So taking LCM of this expression, this and this expression, and sorry, here there is plus, there is also plus, and this expression. So now when you will take LCM, what you will get? A plus B plus C upon C. Okay, plus in this also B plus C plus A upon A. Okay, plus C plus A plus B upon B. Okay, and minus 3. Now from this expression what we get? A plus B plus C is common from the whole expression. Okay, so taking common A plus B plus C from this expression, A plus B plus C, what we get? 1 by C plus 1 by A plus 1 by B minus 3. Now from this, taking LCM inside, what we get? A B C. Okay, and here AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, and A plus B plus C. Okay, minus 3. Now what we have given? This equal to 0. This quantity equal to 0. So A plus B plus C into 0 upon A B C minus 3. From here what we get? This will equal to 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. So this will be the answer. Thank you so much. If you like the video, then comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.